Good morning, Tacoma MBRPers. It's a beautiful day out today. I got a little surprise for the truck. Well, the truck don't know about it, but I do. So, shall I tell you guys what it is, or should I make you wait, like I'm making the truck wait? Or, well, maybe if you guys are good, maybe I'll pull it out and just show you the tip. Yeah, I'll do that. Ooh, look at that baby right there. And there's two of them. Better yet. So, we know what that means. This thing's going to be a lot louder. So, this is going to be awesome. Be going up to Wellsburg today, and Mr. Kyle Smith that is, will be putting my exhaust on for me. So it's going to be a fun drive all the way up there, because I haven't even been to bed yet. Alright, we finally made it to Kyle's house. Time to make this truck sound like a little something better than it does. Where is he? Oh, there he is. How dare you meet me out here like this?
Give me a second, leave the door.
Alright.
That's good.
Wow. Man, that was a heck of a drive. Look, you're already on it, pulling it out of there.
Now imagine doing that on top of Charleston.
Oh man, I'll tell you. Smitty, how's it going, man?
I'm doing fine. How about yourself, sir?
Good to see you again, man. It's been a while. Yeah, thanks for letting me come up to do this.
I hope you don't get too much of this dirty garage on that film.
Oh hell. And nobody's gonna care, trust me. They should see mine.
Can't be as bad as this one.
Oh, you'd be surprised.
Instructions somewhere.
Yep, instructions there, and you can get out.
Huh?
You getting out?
Yeah.
You're a co-pilot today.
Yeah. There's the other tip. There's some decals and stuff.
There's a fancy one.
Yeah.
There's an applique. What's that bad of a drive though?
No, what? It really wasn't, man. So does that look like stainless steel to you? It better be, damn it.
Success story. A custom radio ad from iHeart Ad Builder is
Made in Canada.
affordable way for customers.
Then it's got to be stainless steel.
radio to work for you. Get started now at iHeartAdBuilder.com. I need postcards.
Should be. It looks a lot better than aluminumized.
Yeah.
It's possible at Staples.
I need my presentation printed, bound, and
Also possible with Staples print.
I'm just glad they got my other tip to me sent pretty quick.
This one needs cut, right?
Yep.
When you spend $75 or more, explore what's new at Staples, the working and learning store. Ends 2/26. Staples.com/furniture for details.
Gentlemen's Club, built for discretion in the Wonderland. Serving man, Godfather's Gentlemen's Club is now open at both locations.
Well, yeah, I do have one more thing in my truck here.
And it now spends at 723.
Oop. Okay, somebody, I figured you'd want one of these.
You didn't have to do that.
Oh, sure I did, man.
I appreciate it.
You guys are helping me out, man. I mean, heck. Make some good
Just a little
YouTube
garage,
content.
That's all it is.
Yeah. Hey, it works for us. Anything. Kyle wrenching away, doing what he does best.
Yeah. sit down. Is Tano all okay? All right, I'll run up in a minute here and get him. That's what I'll do now. The dock's a little warm.
Huh?
A little warm.
Yeah. I bet.
Almost like you drove an hour and a half to get here.
Yeah. Yeah, this thing's gonna sound damn good. It's gonna be awesome. Get rid of that single pipe.
Makes some noise.
Yeah. It don't have any noise now. Kyle's jacking off. You can grow hair on your palms if you keep doing that, man.
I don't even know how to reply to that. I'm at a loss for words.
Something tells me he's done this before. Twice, at least twice.
Twice a night.
Twice.
Get lonely.
Yeah, I hear you. That's the kind of lift I need on there, man. And a shout out to MBRP for sending me another exhaust tip because my other one was a little bit dented from shipping, but shit happens. Man, these guys got it all figured out with their fancy lights and shit sticking around like they know what they're doing and shit.
Yeah, make it look good.
These guys do not fuck around. So that flange pipe came off pretty easy, huh?
It's off already.
Oh yeah.
These damn rubbers off.
Man, you're faster than most shops I see, dude.
You don't get paid to fuck around some places.
Well, too, it helps that you've done this already, what, how many times?
This is the second time.
Oh, yeah. I thought your dad's had a dual exhaust.
No, his is a factory pro.
Oh, is it? Is that muffler hot?
A little warm. Not terrible. Oh, shit.
I don't know if that'll pop out or not.
Give me a second.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm good at spectating, though.
As long as you make it look good.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll edit all the parts out where you did the work and make it look like I did it all.
Hey, whatever. That's what would be nice right about now. Be 5 minutes to be struggling with this one hanger.
Don't pull a vagina muscle. There you go. Well, look at that. And she's off.
Big job. Yeah? I will. Who knows?
Hey man, you got that off quick. You ought to be one of them there professional catalytic converter thieves.
I've been waiting for it around here.
Yeah.
I haven't heard too much of it around here though. Luckily.
Yeah.
What year is yours?
It's a 17.
I like the grill.
Thanks, man. DB Customs right there. Yeah, it did have a smooth finish on it. And ended up using that truck bed liner and took a roller, a little mini roller, and rolled it out real nice and even.
Looks good.
Yeah, I tried to spray it at first and it just got clumpy. So rolling it made it look a lot
Is it
better.
light up?
What's that?
Is it light up?
No, no, it's just...
Oh, I thought it lit up.
Nah, I'm too cheap.
I don't know about that. But... Here's a nice grill, though.
Thanks.
That's the center. Yeah, those are mine. All right.
Getting all technical now.
I just want to double check before I cut.
Yeah, I hear ya. Measure twice, cut once.
I'm gonna need to cut it twice and it's still too short.
Yeah, no doubt. That'd be my luck. That looks like a pretty nice setup, man.
It is. It looks pretty good. Welded. I mean, the welds and everything look good.
And they were speedy sending it out too. Well, damn.
What do I call that bladed torch? I guess it works anyhow. Quite lost. A little off. Take that up. Be alright. Strange clamp.
Yeah, I was looking at that. I didn't really understand it much. Ah. You're a pretty smart fella.
You gotta be with some of these instructions.
He's a fart smeller.
Some of these instructions are just horrendous. Huh?
Just redone with black paint.
What? It's all stainless.
Yeah, I mean, if that old exhaust, if I can get it to fit in the back of the truck, maybe I'll just take it with me just in case.
There's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah.
Just in case something happens.
Yeah. Right there. Perfect.
Figure. They're 5/8. And the other exhaust clamp's 9/16. Took you longer to drive up here, Kevin.
Huh?
Took you longer to drive up here.
Yeah, it did. That's for sure.
All right, how does this exhaust tip look? Does it look level?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Okay. We can always try to loosen it up and
Once you put it on the ground, then measure.
because I don't think I can squeeze my fat ass under here. Tighten it up. Take that tip off there and see.
Yeah.
That look pretty good there?
Yeah.
Okay. It's still looking good there, Kevin?
It's a little close to this thing though.
Can you move it?
Like that way?
Yeah, wherever you want it. Okay?
Yep. It's still a little close to it though. This thing might need to be maybe slid over or something.
Yeah, we can try that.
There, yeah, moving it over.
How's that look? Better?
Still a little close to it. I'd push it over as far as you can. Well, that's about it, huh?
Yeah.
Too far back, Cal.
Huh?
Never mind.
I'm getting there. It's just getting my fat fucking fingers, isn't
You
it?
know what you're doing.
I try.
Dashboard light problems? We can help. Find your service to read your check engine light, ABS light, and service indicator
You
light.
got the other one?
Any possible solution?
Right there.
Licensed technician. You'll even get detailed results straight to your email, so you have them.
Box looks good to be for 7 with a 10 and 10.
Warning light report
Yeah.
by technician verified fix. The free fix finder service. More details at AutoZone.com.
Research shows that people remember radio ads.
And shoot out and you started.
Emphasizes all the main points. So that way you remember that Liberty Mutual Insurance.
How am I doing on time?
Here's one with the booming voice.
I'm going to go ahead and tighten this one up
Okay.
because you got a little bit of. Well, here, hold on. Is that pretty close there?
Yeah.
Let me snug this one up. There's 2 on this side. Still look good?
Yep.
Still?
Yep.
Tighten this hanger up still.
Oh yeah, man. Good fast work, man. You raised a pretty good kid, man. Good fast worker.
Thank you.
Hard to get that these days.
That's true. Wish
Well-
the garage would have been in better shape. Sorry about that.
Oh, heck, man. Trust me. No big deal, man. We're in West Virginia, shit. We're rednecks. We're gonna have shit like that.
I was going to say that, but
I said it for you. There you go. So, well, you want to fire it up, dude, or open up the garage? If you fire it up, I'll film.
Go ahead.
Well, you gonna film it?
I can do something.
So you can fire it up and give me a couple revs, man. Shit.
Keep walking in here.
No. What? No. Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Heck yeah. Sounds good, man.
Nice little rumble too.
Does it look level to you? Well, the truck itself don't really look quite level, but
Looks pretty good.
yeah.
Looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, it's a big change. Yeah. Probably really good going down the interstate. That's awesome, man. Heck yeah. Sounds good. Big improvement. Looks damn good too. Heck yeah. Yeah, I appreciate it, dude. That's fucking awesome, man.
Told you it would be bad.
Hey, you're a lot better at that stuff than I am. The RPM seem a little bit low. Maybe it's just because it's
It'll-
open.
We don't have to adjust to it. It'll take about 100, 200 miles to adjust.
Right.
It'll learn everything.
Yeah.